Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can you have multiple accounts with Starling Bank? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Starling Bank is. Starling is a digital bank that offers personal and business current accounts, as well as a range of other financial products and services. They're known for their innovative app, which makes it easy to manage your money on the go. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Can you have multiple accounts with Starling Bank? The answer is yes, you can. In fact, Starling offers a number of different account types that you can open, including personal current accounts, business current accounts, joint current accounts, spaces, virtual sub-accounts. So, whether you're looking to manage your finances for personal or business purposes, Starling has an account that's right for you. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these account types. Personal current accounts. Personal current accounts are the most basic type of account offered by Starling. They're perfect for everyday banking needs, such as paying bills, making purchases, and saving money. You can open up to 2 personal current accounts with Starling. Business current accounts. Business current accounts are designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs. They offer a range of features and benefits, such as invoicing, expense tracking, and business loans. You can open up to 2 business current accounts with Starling, as long as they're for separate businesses. Joint current accounts. Joint current accounts are a great option for couples or friends who share finances. They allow you to manage your money together and make joint decisions about your finances. You can only open 1 joint current account with Starling. Spaces. Spaces are virtual sub-accounts that you can create within your main account. They're a great way to organize your money and save for specific goals. You can create as many spaces as you like, and you can give each space its own name and color. So, how do you open a new account with Starling? Opening a new account with Starling is easy. Simply download the Starling app and follow the prompts. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Once you've completed the application process, you'll be able to start using your new account. In addition to the above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when opening a new account with Starling. You must be at least 18 years old to open an account with Starling. You must be a resident of the UK or Ireland. You must have a valid UK or Irish passport or driving license. You must have a valid UK or Irish bank account. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about having multiple accounts with Starling Bank. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.